In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop money transfer with QR code solution. QR code full solution. Example of this kind of script is QRPay. So let's look at some of the features of this script. Transfer with QR code, receive with QR code, add money, money out, make payment, withdraw money, remittance, bank transfer, virtual card, gift card, bill payment, mobile top up, and so on. There are many other features of this script. Kindly use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel to my file manager. So for my file manager, I go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes. I've already uploaded my script. Next, I'm going to extract it. Extract files. So next, I close this. Now let me open the extracted file. I'm going to select all the content in it. I move them to the root folder. Move files. Then I click on back. Now let me copy my subdomain name. Open a new tab. Paste it there. Enter. Yes, I click on start. Okay. Next, I click on next. I'm going to fill this, then click on continue. Then next, I'm going to fill this place, but to fill this place, I need to create my database. So I'll go back to my cPanel, then scroll down to databases, manage my databases. So let me name my database as QRPay database like this. Then I click on create database. Database created successfully. I click on go back. Next, I'm going to create my user. After successfully creating my database user, next, then I click on create user. Created successfully. I click on go back. After creating my user and my database successfully, I'm going to add the user to the database. So let me scroll down. Add user to database. QRPay user data business user. Yes. QRPay data business. Then I click on add. I'm going to give out privileges to the user. Scroll down to make changes. So success. Now let me copy my username back to my site. Application name, let me say application database name, username. Okay. So my database name is what I use, QRPay databases. So next I click on continue. So next I click on migrate. Close this. So now I'm going to create my account. Admin email, let me say admin@example.com. First name, let me say admin. Last name, let me say admin. Let me save this, and I click on continue. So I close this. Let me just go to the website. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, as you can see, I've successfully installed my script. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your script installation, kindly use the IRM link in the video to help you install your script. And if this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Thank you.